Want to keep your Dropbox files close at hand on your Android phone. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Dropbox, sign in, upload and download files, share content, and manage your files right from your phone. First, open Google Play Store and search for Dropbox. Choose the official Dropbox app and install it. Once the installation finishes, open the app and sign in to your Dropbox account. If you already have Dropbox installed, just open it and continue. After signing in, you'll see your Dropbox files and folders. Use the main navigation to browse your content, check recent activity, or access other available features. Tap a folder to open it and tap a file to preview it. To upload something from your phone, tap the plus button or the available upload option. Choose the file, photo, or video you want to add, then select the destination folder. Dropbox will begin uploading it to your account. You can then access that file from your other connected devices. If you need a file when you don't have a reliable internet connection, open the Files options and choose the available offline option. Dropbox can keep supported files available on your phone so you can access them when you're offline. Sharing a file is simple. Open the Files menu, choose Share, and select how you want to send it. You can share a link or use an available sharing option. Before sending, check the access settings so the right people can view the file. To keep everything organized, use folders for different projects or types of files. Open the Items menu to find available actions such as moving, renaming, or deleting. So, take a moment to organize your Dropbox before it becomes difficult to find older files. Dropbox can also offer automatic photo and video backup through camera upload features, depending on your account and app settings. Open the app settings to review available upload, notification, account, and security options. And that's how to use Dropbox on Android. Install the app, sign in, upload your files, download content for offline access, share links, and keep everything organized. Once you get familiar with these basics, managing Dropbox from your phone is pretty straightforward.